Oh man. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to yet another video. We are taking a quick breather from the quail madness right over there, 50 minutes down these squiggly roads. And if you watched my last video, the layout of this entire house is a little strange. But that being said, dude, soak it in. The weather is absolutely stunning. Whew, it's been a long week, guys. It's going to continue to be crazy, so stay tuned for future videos. And of course, the pool is looking mighty tempting. Might have to dip in there, but unfortunately I took a closer look, and if the camera is picking it up, there is kind of an algae problem, I believe, so I'm gonna have to skip out on that. But the temperature looking pretty good. I was casually editing my video, guys, right over here on my laptop, got my tablet out, the whole 9 yards in the shade, admiring this beautiful scenery, and lo and behold, I got a notification in my inbox from Boongain, from a video I filmed a year and a half ago. Copyright strike. They claimed the music was used in my video, and they're now taking all my revenue from that particular video, which, by the way, is still getting views to this day. I'm not even worried one little bit because the weather is absolutely beautiful. And of course, today's video is sponsored by none other than Coinmaster. Guys, they are a continued supporter of this channel, and they're sponsoring today's video. So we got a lockdown, no need to worry. Make sure to check out the game in the description below. Use my personal link, guys. Get the hookup, challenge your friends, challenge me. We got to go back to the quail. We got a lot to accomplish. Let's roll out, guys. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, fellow subscribers, we got some cops managing traffic. We're headed back to the quail. We got the quail parking pass in the Volvo S90 T8E inscription package. Boom, that is quite the mouthful. Mr. Sheep is just chilling on his exquisite brown interior. Absolutely exquisite. Anyways, we're gonna go back in there, catch the cars leaving, because dude, we had to go back to Starbucks, upload a video. Make sure to check it out, upper right hand corner of the brand new $9 million Bugatti 110. All the guys leaving the quail. We got 2 F50s in tow here. Not one, but 2, double the fun. Oh, here we go, whole squad. But guys, stay tuned. Tonight in downtown Monterey and Carmel might get a little, how do I quite put this? Fuckboy alert mania. There we go. We got Mr. Sheep official locking it down in the S90. Dude, guys, we're back in business. The Ferrari's rolling out, guys. The show is pretty much over. We do have to check out one final car by popular demand. The fake Enzo right over there. The Benzo, so to speak. This thing is hot. Look at this.
Great to see this car. Deserving winner of the supercar. This is one car.
Still one of my favorite out of the 3 hypercar trio.
Thank
the
you.
P1, 918, and the LaFerrari. Ladies and gentlemen, dude, this Ferrari Enzo making a splash at the Quail Motorsports gathering, the car bros. Put the air intake on the top there, look at that. Yeah. Oh my god, and of course the quad exhausts. One bad Enzo. That is,
how do you finesse the quail?
I don't know, they did though. And the story goes, apparently they registered this car as a real Ferrari Enzo, and they brought it here this morning, and the people at Ferrari freaked out thinking it was a real Ferrari. So they basically told them, we can't have you guys at the center stage over there. We're gonna move you guys right over here next to the toilets. And here we are. Oh my god, someone is getting fired at the quail, but here it is. Can you believe it? Oh yeah, of course the interior, dude. Ladies and gentlemen, check this out. And of course, detail service requested on the one bad Enzo. My question is, if they wanted to hide this thing, why did they put it right next to the toilets? Right over here. Because everyone at the show has to go at some point during the day. So everyone's gonna walk past this thing and see it, so go figure. Oh yeah, this is exactly how you could crash a multi-million-dollar premiere show during Monterey Car Week by bringing this thing. Amazing. By the way, the Car Bros, they actually do have a YouTube channel. They also do podcasts as well. Make sure to check that out. Upper right-hand corner. I'll link it in the description below. Guys, ultimate trolls right over here, baby. Soak it in. Show me the Cinque dog. No. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Oh, then you're gonna be there around?
Hold on.
Okay, so
Look at the chinque dog. Yes.
So we'll see you tomorrow.
It's so cute.
She's gonna be in her little McLaren on Sunday. Oh my God, really?
McLaren on Sunday, Pagani's on Friday. I love it. Look at this. Fantastic outfit too, with the pink shoes. Beautiful. Yes, look at it. In all its fluffy gory. It's a little cutie pie. Look at fake Ferrari Enzo, guys. This and the fake Ferrari Enzo has made the entire quail show. Heritage Edition livery on the 4GT. The front lift goes up, and out he goes. Oh, he's got the matching shirt. I appreciate that. Hennessy Venom in camo. My goodness, forgot about this car, but here it is, back at the quail. All right, more 4GT.
I know.
Hottest car right here, LP640 Roadster in Monterey Blue. Boom. Perfect plate too, look at that. Forget all the supercars and hypercars, ladies and gentlemen. The car bros, Fenzo. Yes. Doors up, baby, doors up. There it is. Woo! Best in show. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is a rare specimen. He said, I don't need roadkill on my watch. There you go. Hell yeah. F1 GTR on the road. Oh no! He can recover, come on. No. There we go. There we go. F1 GTR. Look at this guy. Dude, that's hot. Check out the interior of this race car Murcielago. Oh my goddamn son of a bitch. This is absolutely insane. Hopefully get a startup very soon. Word on the street was that this car was so loud at the Monterey Jet Center for the McCall show that they couldn't bring the car in. That being said, I'm standing right behind it. Okay. It's alright. Murcielago, 1 of 9. RGT, ladies and gentlemen, dude, racing Murcielago. Liberty Walk actually did a very similar build, had like the whole roll cage and everything, but this is the legit one right here, guys. This is for the OG car enthusiasts. This ain't no Huracan Performante nonsense, all right, guys. This is the real deal. And there is an LP640 getting unloaded right over there, Murcielago. Dude, old school is making a comeback. Wait, one more time, baby. Woo! Damn. That scared the shit out of us. All right. There you go. There we go. Woo! Dude, guys, forget. Oh, whoa! They know they're on camera. Look at these dogs. So this one's what? Dakota, and we got Peyton over there. Both girls. Chris Morrison's car. I won't say cars. They're dogs. Sorry, dogs. Oh, belly rub. Hello, get a belly rub. You're a funny little dog. You get a belly. Give me that. It's like no. Get it. Come get it. Whoa.
Good girl.
She's like, I'm done with you guys. Bye. Dude, forget car week. It's dog. It's officially Monterey Dog Week now. Look at this. 2 golden retrievers. You got a present for me? Hello. All right, guys. We're currently back in downtown Carmel. There are signs posted left and right that the Carmel police will prosecute anyone that tries to do any sort of funny business. Check out this Vanquish Volante in blue with the tan interior. Dude, that is such a good looking car. I don't care what you say about Aston Martins or Vanquishes, that is a 10 out of 10. But dude, we're currently in the S90 Volvo, and every year it seems that, like, you know, things escalate and everyone wants to bring out their best looking car, their hottest, newest car. We're just rolling around in S90, baby, because we're going low key. We don't want to attract too much attention, and of course, we don't want to get pulled over by the cops, because that's the last thing we need is another ticket. So, anyways, I'm going to do a quick loop around here, and hello. That is a sick spec. Look at that. There you go. Right, Roadster, baby. Dude, we got Ken Seidel, Chris Morrison, and Mitch in the Rental QX80, the freaking boat of an SUV. And of course, the views here are actually pretty damn insane right now because the weather has been extremely cooperative, believe it or not. Usually it's a little cloudy, a little murky, and pretty foggy, but dude, look at this. Monterey showing off its beautiful weather here. Look at that. There it is, guys, the slate blue Lexus LFA right here in the flesh. This actually resides in a storage facility somewhere in the depths of Beverly Hills in Los Angeles. But dude, check out the interior. Of course, the signature tri exhaust right in the rear here. Only if we could see this thing drive, because it's in the exact same spot as last year in the same valet lot. So one can dream, right? Not bad. Oh yeah, launch spec Chiron to my left. Let's roll down the window. I don't really have anything to say, so sorry. 599 GTOs with red calipers from the state of Missouri. Guys, look at this. Well done on the spec on this 599 GTO, all the way from Missouri. I like the two-tone. I like everything about this car, even red calipers, and of course the stripe down the middle. Dude, these things, whew, my God, these are so nice. I really do love a good from the 599 GTO. By the way, the whole 599 project car, I don't know. What do you guys think? V12? Yeah? Yay or nay? Of course, old school Gallardo right over here with some, the yellow wheels and the tinted out rear taillights. A classic. Gold carbon ceramics, purple AMG E63 wagon. E63S, sorry. Wait, is it really?
It is, yeah. Yep. Come and look at it in the light here.
Guys, are you trying to pull my leg right now? Oh shit, it actually is purple. Dude, this parking lot is on fire right now. Check this out. S600 V12 Coupe. I have the 4-door variant. And of course, it's got the massive V12 6.3 liter engine. Dude, ladies and gentlemen, we are $25,000 deep into the project. We're going to Japan end of the month to film it. You guys have no idea what I've been doing with that car. You guys got to stay tuned for the future videos. In about, I say, a week or two after Car Week. This is for the OG car spotters. This is for all the car enthusiasts. You guys know exactly what is up with a V12 engine. Oh man.